Okay, resolution of a vector ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so we are going to resolve the two vectors. For example, so this is the vector A vector and this is B vector. This is A vector and this is B vector. This is what we are going to know, C vectors. The vector, if I want to split up, the splitting, the process in which the splitting of vectors. This vector, C vector, C vector is the single vector. That is the effect of these two individual vectors of the single vector. Each separate split okay. So the process of splitting of a vector into two or more components vectors, that process is called so that process we are going to call the resolution. Okay, so that is a resolution. The process of splitting of a vector, two or more vectors. Okay, once again I'll repeat, see that. The process of splitting of a vector into two or more components. The process of splitting of a vector into two or more components. That process is called resolution of a vector. So for example, I have taken, this is the triangle. I got the triangle. So that is the triangle vector. On the triangle. So this is the A vector. Okay. So this is what we are going to see, that B vector. So this is the resultant vector, that is C vector, we have taken it. So now how we are going to split up? So if I have taken the one parallel to this A vector, one vector we are going to draw it. This is parallel to this one. That is the A vector. A vector. This one parallel draw A vector. So again here I am going to draw the another one vector, that is B vector. Okay. So that is the B vector. So another one, it is the C vector. Okay. So the process of splitting of a vector into two or more components are called resolution of a vector. The vector so obtained, this vector se namak sigilakatala, adike en karitano antandre, so we are going to call the components vector anta karitare. Components anta karitare. Enu karitano? Components anta karitare. U vectors anna perpendicular ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ perpendicular vectors ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಏನು ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? Perpendicular vectors. Okay, or rectangular vectors ಅಂತನೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So this is what we are going to see. No, this is a x axis, this is y axis. ಒಂದು ಏನದರಿ x axis ಅದ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ತೋಲಕತ್ತಿನ y axis ಅಂತ ತೋಲಕತ್ತಿನ. So this is along the x direction that we are taking the ax vector. Along x direction, what I have taken? No, ax vector. So along so this one y direction we are taking the ay vector. So these two vectors, it's perpendicular or rectangular components also called. Why we are going to call it the rectangular means this is the resultant vector. This is a vector is the resultant of these two vectors. This we are going to call the rectangular vectors or rectangular components anta karitare. Idike ಏನು ಕರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Rectangular components anta karitare. Got the thing, sir? So now I am going to write down the resolution of a vector means what? Okay, so resolution of a vector means the process of splitting of a vector, into two or more components, two or more components are called resolution. Okay, so resolution ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the process of splitting of a vector into two or more components ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಟೂ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಇದು ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಟೂ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರೀಬಹುದು ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ಟೂ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರೀಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಸೊ obtained, the vectors so obtained are called ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತದಕ್ಕ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಏನದ ಅದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ದ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಈ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಟೂ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಏನಂತ ಕರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಈ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ perpendicular to each other ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಕರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು rectangular components ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೇವೆ. That we are going to call the rectangular components. Okay, so now I will write down the what rectangular components means what. So the components of a vectors, this is first point. Okay, so ಇದು first point of the, ಇದು second point of the, third point. Okay, third point na ಏನು ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೀನಿ. So the vectors, the components of a vector, the components of a vector perpendicular to each other, perpendicular to each other are called rectangular components. Are called rectangular components. Rectangular components. Okay, now completed, then I will go to rubber. Okay, so I think so now rectangular component we are understanding now. So rectangular components. So now we are consider the in coordinate system. So this is the what we are going to see, that x-axis. So this is what we are going to see, the y-axis. Okay, x-axis and y-axis we are seeing that. So this is the ax. So that ax means O2. This is the O2m. I am taking the what ax vector. Again, so this is the O2n we are taking it. That is the ay vector. Okay, so this it is called what a vector. This is what we are going to call the a vector. So this is one perpendicular line we are going to draw. So this is P. Okay, so that will be what P. It's make an angle resultant vector to the what x-axis. So that angle is the what theta. The theta, it is the angle made between the what a vector and ax vector. Okay, ax and ay vector. So here we are considering the what from figure in ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗಲಾಕತ್ತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು xy ಏನದ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅದ. xy is the one plane. Okay, so this is the x and y, it is the one plane. So then OM, that is ax vector, a vector along x direction, a vector along ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x axis x direction or x axis like this one. And then this is ON equal to AY. So a vector along ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y axis, along a y axis. Okay, so theta ಏನದ, theta is the angle between ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ angle between ax and ax vector and a vector. Followed? Ax vector and a vector ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳಕತ್ತೀನಿ. So now by the what triangle of vector addition. So what we are taking now by the triangle of vector addition. Triangle law of vector addition. Triangle of vector addition you are taking it. Triangle of vector addition, what is saying that if two vectors are represented both magnitude and direction by the two sides of the triangle, okay, taken in the order, then their resultant vector, it is represented both magnitude and direction by the third side of the triangle taken in opposite order. So now this is what we are going to see. Whatever the ON is there, no, the same PM we can take it, that is AY vector. Okay, so this is also the same vector we are taken. So according to the what triangle of vectors, so that is the what we are going to see, no. Here it is OP vector, this is the resultant vector equal to OM vector plus PM vector. So that is A vector equal to AX vector plus AY vector. Okay, AX vector plus AY vector ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೆ ನಾವು. So this AX vector we can write down in terms of what unit vector. So that is or we can write down in this way also A vector equal to AX I cap. I cap, it is for the what unit vector along the x direction we have taken. Already in unit vectors I have explained that. So orthogonal triads nalli explain madidene. So plus AY J cap, AY into J cap also we can do. So how we are written means, so this way we are written AX vector. So it is the what AX is the magnitude into I cap. So sir, ಇದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so according to the what unit vector A cap vector equal to A vector modulus of A vector we have taken it. Okay, so that is a vector by A ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ, so therefore A vector equal to A into A cap. A vector here AX vector, this is the magnitude AX, this is the unit vector, that is I cap. Okay, so that is the I cap. So similarly AY also we can write down AY vector equal to, so that is AY into J. Magnitude of A vector, from there I am going to once again repeat magnitude of A vector. So squaring and adding equation are squaring and adding. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ equation ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿ ನಾನು 1 and 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲ 1 and 2 दिए 2 and 2 दिए squaring and adding equation are 1 and 2 ಮಾತಾಡೋದು squaring equation 1 and 2 means so LHS here one side we can write down and RHS here one side we can write down. So that is LHS is ax square plus ay square equal to a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. Or no, a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. ಅದು ಕಟನ ಕಟನ okay. So this ax square plus ay square equal to a square we are taking the common. So then cos square theta plus sin square theta. So here sin square cos square theta plus sin square means sin square theta plus cos square theta. So that is equal to 1. So that will be what we are going to call that equal to 1. So this ax square plus ay square equal to a square into 1. Okay. So therefore a square equal to ax square plus ay square, or we can take the word square root of ax square plus ay square. So this much yesterday I was explained. No? So is explain ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ನೀನು ಮಾಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ. Yes sir. So now direction of a vector we can take it. Now we are going to understand into what direction of a vector. So direction of a vector. So now see that equation 1 and 2 we have to divide. Okay, so that dividing equation 2 by 1. So dividing equation 2 by 1, equation 1. So what is that equation 1? What we have said that ay sin theta ಏನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ax equal to a cos theta ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So ax equal to better I should write down the what dividing equation 2 by 1 means a sin theta equal to divided by a cos theta equal to this is a y by ax. Correct? No? A y by x. This equation get cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta, what we are getting? No? Tan theta. So tan theta equal to a y by a x. This is the what we are getting. No direction of a vector. So then feel like the direction of a vector we are getting it. Okay, write down this one. Work. Vector addition by analytical method ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೇನೆ. Analytical method ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Coordinate system x and y and z. So 3 components, 3 directions ಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವ. 3 ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ? ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು ಈಗ x ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ i ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರ್ತದ. ಇದು ax ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? ax i ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ay ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತೋಲಕತ್ತಿನ ay j ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ತೋಲಕತ್ತಿ. z ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. 3-dimensional. One is 2-dimensional group. First you understand the 2-dimensional. So then we can understand the 3-dimensional also. Okay. So AX vector means AX I cap. So then BY vector means that is a AY J cap. So A is the what resultant of these two components. This is the what resultant of two components. This is the resultant. This we can write as what P vector. So now we are considering the only XY plane, X axis and Y axis, means 2-dimensional. So AX vector and AY vector are the magnitude of component along X axis and Y axis respectively, we are saying it. So now see, A vector means that is AY vector plus AX plus AY. So A vector equal to, we can write down the what AX vector plus AY vector. What the things are? AX vector means AX I cap plus AY J cap. This is for only 2-dimensional, means X and Y axis is done. Now if I taken the 3-dimensional, similarly, if I write down the what 3-dimensional, I am writing A vector equal to AX I cap plus AY J cap plus AZ K cap. This is for the what 3-dimensional. Okay, this is for the what 3-dimensional. So then Bx vector and By vector are the magnitude of the component of B vector along X axis and Y axis respectively. So that we can write down what B vector equal to Bx I cap plus By J cap. Okay, similarly I am telling about B vector, another one component we have taken. So that will be what 2-dimensional Bx and By we have taken. So that is Bx I cap plus By J cap. This is for the 2-dimensional. Now similarly we can take the what 3-dimensional also. Similarly for 3-dimensional, B vector equal to Bx I cap plus By J cap plus Bz K cap. This is for the 3-dimensional. So we want to adding of two vectors. How we are going to add? For 2-dimensional only we have taken. Means this is the what? C is the resultant vector. C is called the what? Resultant vector. So that is C vector equal to A vector plus B vector. A vector plus B vector means from here 2-dimensional we have taken no. So that is AX I cap plus AY J cap. That I have substituted here. Plus sign. This is the plus. Again B vector means Bx I cap plus By J cap. Got the thing, sir? Understood? So now see. This one is AX plus Bx. Here common what we are going to get now? I cap. So bracket AX plus Bx. I have taken the common, that is I cap. I cap is the what? Unit direction. So unit vector. So unit vector. Unit vector means what? The vector whose magnitude is unit. The vector whose magnitude what we are going to see now. So that is the what? Unit vector. So similarly, Y component we can add. So that is AY plus By J cap. Okay. So this is the what? Y. So this is what we are getting now 2-dimensional. If I think that what will be happen for the what 3-dimensional. Similarly, we can take the what 3-dimensional also. Here C vector equal to A vector plus B vector. A vector means AX I cap plus AY J cap plus AZ K cap plus Bx I cap plus By J cap plus Bz K cap. So now we can add one by one. AX plus Bx I cap plus AY plus By J cap plus AZ plus Bz K cap. This is for the what 3-dimensional. So this method is called analytical method. Already we have added the vector addition using the some law. Triangle law of vector addition, parallelogram law of vector addition. Okay, so by that method we got it. Another one method also we can take, that is analytical method. By using the analytical method also we can going to be add the vectors. Means which are the same directions are there. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಆಡ್ ಆಗಲಕತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ x ಇದ್ದು ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ x ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, y ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ y ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, z ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು z ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Followed? Other, so we cannot be add like ax plus ay. It is not the way. ax ಏನದ ಐ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತದ ಇವ ಏನದ ಜೆ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್